Hi, we're Robin and Louis Valdez from Royal City, Washington.
We are just wanting to tell you guys a little bit about ourselves and about our RV share business and why we started it and how much fun we're having. And yeah, so we're a family of 5 from right here in Royal City. We're standing in our kitchen. It's really beautiful. And our kids are 11 now. Oh my gosh, our son just had a birthday yesterday. 11, 8, and 6. And they have really enjoyed this little adventure with us. Back in April of 2021, we decided to buy a camper, and we had plans of having lots of adventures. And then we went online to start booking campsites, and we found out that if you don't book a campsite 9 months in advance, you're not gonna camp during the summer. And so we decided that our brand new camper needed to go to work for us if we weren't gonna be able to use it. And so we listed it on RV Share, got our first booking that first night, and it went out, and we have had such a great time ever since. And yeah, so now we have 3.
Yeah, so so if you're a family, looking to kind of start a business or scale something that actually can be somewhat real lucrative for you, what I have found is that the bookings were easy, the people are great. They're just people like me and you that want to have a good time. And the surprising thing was, which was one of our biggest concerns, was that, like, are they going to take care of our camper? A lot of them, if not 99% of them, like, they take care of it like it's their own.
It's been fantastic. They come back clean, they come back loved. It's clear that people are having a good time and making memories in these campers, and they have had so much respect for us and for our property, and that has been just a blessing for us.
Yeah, so now we have 3 campers. And you can find them on the link below. And yeah, just looking forward to serving you guys and just allowing our RVs and the things that we cherish the most, which is family, be a part of yours. So if you like adventure and you love family, please subscribe to the channel, give this video a thumbs up. We'll see you on your next adventure.